Hello traders and welcome back. In fact, welcome to Monday the 16th of Feb. Now tonight was, I've got to say, tonight was quite a frustrating night. You can see that even though we did have a sell bias and we got a really nice setup with a couple of sell signals, we were stuck in this 2 to 3 point trading range. Now sure we made good money. In fact, I think we were, yes, exactly 37.5% return. So sure, but I like to make a lot more than that. In fact, as you know, with the archive of videos, some days we make 3 or 4 times that. But all in all, look, a little bit flat in the trading range tonight. There were some good opportunities. I'll take you through them. In fact, right now. In fact, I literally finished up around about 25 minutes ago. So let me take you through them. What has happened here? We had a sell signal, literally a sell signal that formed just after the market opened. Now you'll note that I did have a 2-point profit target on that. It did go, but it took some heat before it did. And in fact, it took a second sell signal here to run down and in fact take the second signal to profit. But you'll note with interest the first one didn't go to the full 2 points. Now I got to 1.5 points just here, and that was kind of good. But what happens is, of course, 1.5 points, as you know, it's actually triggers my auto trailing stops to tighten the stop on this trade. As it turns out, that auto trailing stop did actually prevent me from going to profit. In fact, in this case, it meant that I got out of that first trade at -0.5 point. -0.5 point. A little bit annoying. Eventually it did run on to profit, but it took a long time to get there, so hence the reason for the auto trailing stop. So yeah, first trade did actually give back 0.5 point. Second trade we got 2 points. In fact, I got the 2 point on this second spike down just here, right where the mouse is. Now we didn't get anything here that we could take advantage of. We then did get a big picture sell signal. As you know, I do put a 3-point target on those. Again, it went 2 points, 2 points in my favor before then going 0.75 point against me before we were reinforced by another sell signal. Now, this last sell signal was the one that took not only itself but also the third sell signal called for the night. Took it to profit quite happily. In fact, both of those, because we were in favor of the bias, but the trading range was so tight, I was only after 3 points, and in fact, as it turns out, both of those paid the 3 points quite nicely. In fact, you'll note that the second signal did actually pay up to 4 points, but as you know, I am conservative. I was happy with my 3 points, and we walked away with those points quite happily. So all in all, as I did mention earlier, a 37.5% return. How was that achieved? In fact, what we had on the table tonight was 7.5 points at 5% per point, obviously working out at 37.5. Pretty lame night, pretty lame start to the week as well. I do hope that we get an increased volatility come tomorrow night's trading. All right, that's enough from me, ladies and gents. If you do want to actually attend a live webinar and watch what we do live, then please do register on the website, or in turn, very shortly we'll be loading a number of trading lessons into the YouTube channel, so you'll be able to access those as a subscriber. Have an absolutely fantastic day, and I do want to bring this into perspective. Even though it was a lame trading night, there was 37 and a bit percent return up for grabs. If you were a 10 contract trader, like many people are in the world, 10 contracts is $10,000 position. You've earned around about 37 and in fact, I say that you've earned $3,750 tonight. So lame night, but again, there are some very good returns up for grabs. All right, that's enough from me. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.